Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Nokia 5710 Express audio mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to divert incoming call into another number in this phone. So first of all, you have to go inside the menu, so press this middle button. Once you enter into the menu, you have to scroll down, okay, and you see this icon for settings. Okay, just select it by press the middle button. Okay, now the first option over here, it says system, so just select it. Okay, and then the first option again over here, it says call settings, so just select it. So once you select it, the very first option in the call setting is call forwarding. Okay, just select it. Once you select it, the first option over here, it says call options, and you say it is currently off. So I will select it. Once you enter into the call forwarding option, you have different options available over here. You have all voice calls, if busy, if not answered, if out of reach, and off. So whatever option you want, you can do it. So for example, if you are busy and you want to forward your call, you can use this option. If you don't want to answer, you can use this option, and if out of reach, you can use this option. So for now, I will select the first option, which says all voice calls. So it means whoever call me on my number, it will be forward to another number. So this is the first step, so I will select it. Okay, so call options, all voice calls, selected. Now I go to the second option, which says sim options, so just select it by pressing the middle button. So once you press the middle button, the very first option is from sim 1 or from sim 2 or from both sims. Okay, so currently I only have one sim card in this phone, which is sim 1, so I select from sim 1, so I press the middle button. Okay, now here the third step is you have to enter the phone number that you want to divert your call to. Okay, so for example, I put whatever number you want, you will have to put over here. Okay, so I put this number. Okay, so now the last thing is I have to press this middle button to select it. So now I select it. So now it will take a few moments to connect your sim one to that new number that you enter. Okay, so once it's get connected, you will see a symbol over here on top. So now you can see say call forwarding on, and here now you can see a arrow symbol appear on top of your screen. Okay, so you can see over here, so this arrow symbol, so it means the call forwarding, the call diverting option is turned on. You already enter a number, so whenever someone call me on my number, it will divert to this new number that I just enter. Okay, so this is how you can turn on the call forwarding. Okay, now I will go back. Now the second thing is how to turn off this call forwarding option. So if you don't want your call to be diverted, so you can turn it off. So first of all, go into the menu. Once you enter into the menu, just select this settings. Okay, then you have to select the first option of system, then you have to select call settings, then you have to select call forwarding. So here you have two option, call option and sim option. So first select this call options, and here you see it already selected to all voice call. Now I have to go down and I select this off option. Now I press this middle button to turn it off. The second thing is now you have to go down and you select this sim options. Okay, just select it like this, and then again press this middle button. Okay, then again select it and again press this middle button. You will see this message, wait a few moments and try again, just press it. Okay, okay, and then you can see call forwarding is now turned off, so the symbol is removed from here, so call forwarding option is now turned off and there will be no more diverted calls. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.